Got a patchy beard and don't know what to do with it? Want to know why you have a patchy beard and how you can fix it? Let's explore the reasons and ways we can fix those patches in this video. Hi YouTube family, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you back to my channel where I share insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. I hope you guys are getting vaccinated. Me and my wife recently got our second vaccination done just the previous week and I hope you guys get it too. It's really important so that we can end this pandemic together. I get a lot of comments from you that I've got an amazing beard. Firstly, thank you so much for giving me so much love. And now I come to the questions that you've been asking me about those patches and how you can fix them. So what is a patchy beard? Basically, when your facial hair is appearing in patches or you have uneven growth across your beard. A good luscious beard is something that most of us desire nowadays. But some of us have more hair on the face while the others have a little less. A patchy beard is nothing to be ashamed of or be worried about. It is either caused by factors that we can control like exercise, aggressive styling, overuse of brush or fiddling with your mustache and your beard all the time. On the other hand, there are factors like age, genetics, hormonal imbalance like dropping testosterone levels or alopecia that we can't control. So here are a few ways that can help you fix and control that patchy beard of yours. Number 1. Let it grow long. Firstly, just break away from the trimmer and let your beard grow for about 90 to 120 days. Yes, there will be a few awkward days, but eventually the beard will grow out and cover up all those patches. Secondly, you can creatively trim your beard and clean up those lines. Appearance of patchy beard can be minimized by trimming your facial hair. Depending on where the patches sit, you can trim the beard creatively. Tidy, even lines will help your beard look clean and more professional. Keep your sideburns neat and trimmed so they blend in nicely with the facial hair. Similarly, keep the borders of your beard very neat and clean. For example, the cheekbones, the jaw lines, the lip lines over here and also the nose lines over here. You can also maintain an uneven growth of your beard. For example, where your patches sit, you can let it grow longer for about a month or something, and while the other beard can just grow out for a couple of weeks and it'll end up covering up those patches. Wiry, dry or poorly looked after facial hair can lead to a patchy beard. Using the right products and tools can make a lot of difference to the health of your hair and overall appearance. Use an exfoliant to help remove the dead skin or prevent dry skin. This can also help you if you've got an itchy beard syndrome. This promotes blood flow and in turn hair growth, resulting in more fuller, thicker and healthier beard. The next thing that you can do to fix your patchy beard is to eat well. It's really important to exercise, maintain a healthy lifestyle and drink plenty of water. Increase your intake of foods which are rich in vitamin B, C, iron, magnesium, zinc and omega-3. These can help nourish hair and promote growth. You can get these from adding foods like avocado, eggs, cauliflower, bananas and milk to your diet. On the other hand, foods like meats, peanuts, mushrooms, tuna, sunflower seeds, they contain niacin that helps hair growth. Another simple hack to cover that small patch on your beard could be just to pick up a color pencil and shade it in. Now another major reason that causes the patchy beard is alopecia. So all the points that I mentioned so far can be taken care of by yourself. But in case you've got something called alopecia, you'll have to take the expert's help on it. Alopecia is a common health condition that causes hair loss. Alopecia is basically an autoimmune disease. What this means is that basically your body's immune system attacks the healthy cells of your body. In this case, it attacks your hair follicles. Alopecia generally appears just out of the blue and you will see a certain patch on your beard disappearing. Often, psychological stress or physical stress are linked to alopecia. It could also be because of your genes. I, for the first time, had an attack of alopecia when I was in Mumbai and I really panicked that I saw a patch disappearing on my beard and it looked shabby of course and I didn't know what to do. So I immediately googled what it was and consulted a dermatologist. Turns out it was due to the high stress in my job at that point in time. All I had to do was take a few medications which were basically multivitamins and apply some ointment onto the patch. And after a month of that medication, my hair started appearing again. First it was grey and then it started turning black. And then it happened the second time a couple of years later, but this time I knew the drill, so I consulted the dermatologist, went for the medication and the hair started appearing after another month of that. And this recent time that it happened, for the third time actually, I started focusing on my exercise and good diet instead of going to the doctor and the medications again. So the patch actually sits right here, but I've been covering it with the long beard and focusing on my health and the diet that goes behind it. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, here's a bonus tip for you. Don't fall for the scams of patchy beard solutions. There are no shortcuts. And don't be afraid or ashamed of a patchy beard. Embrace it and be proud of your beard. It's unique and only you have it. Do share your feedback on this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.